होश हालत पे काबू तो कर लिया हमने, होश हालत पे काबू तो कर लिया हमने, फिर उन्हें देख के होश खो गए तो क्या होगा। जी हाँ, अपने होश उड़ाने के लिए तैयार हो जाइए, क्योंकि हमारे साथ आने वाले हैं बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज जो लेकर आ रहा है साउथ एशियन लिटरेचर एंड आर्ट फेस्टिवल 2019 होस्टेड बाय आर्ट फोरम SF, Montalvo Arts Center, Saratoga, and UC Berkeley Institute of Arts. And joining us is the director of Montalvo Arts Center, where this beautiful festival is going to be held on October 6th and October 18th. Yes, mark your calendars for October 6th from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. and October 18th 7:30 p.m. onwards. And let's get some insights from the media and PR director, Mr. Tushar, as well as artistic director of Montalvo Arts Center, Kelly.
Welcome to Montalvo Arts Center. Montalvo is a 109-year-old historic villa and 175 acres. It opened first its residency in 1939. Montalvo was left to be used as far and wide as possible for the people of California and in promotion of arts and cultures. We're so excited to be hosting the first annual South Asian Literature and Arts Festival here at Montalvo, which will open on October 6th with a festival from 12 to 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And you are the PR director for this wonderful festival, and you've been all around, publicizing this event. So what's the selling pitch? What's the main highlight?
I'm promoting Sala enthusiastically. I've flown in all the way from Toronto, Canada, and it is buzzing right now, not just in North America, but globally, because we have artists from all over. We've got Bangladeshi, Pakistani, we have amazing lineup from India. So it is right now buzzing all over. And we have fantastic support from media, including Your India TV and other media partners who are helping us to spread the word. If you Google up or look up online for Sala 2019 or South Asian Literature and Art Festival, you will find all the promotional material, and that's where I do come in and play the magic.
Awesome. Director of Art Forum SF, Ambika Sahai, is joining us. Welcome to Yo India TV. And this is a beautiful occasion since a grand event is going to happen on October 6th and October 18th. Sala. This is the very first time we are hearing this name. Sala Fest is a brand in itself. South Asian Literature and Art Festival. So tell us about how the concept started.
South Asian Literature and Art Festival is, for the first time, we are promoting it here to the Bay Area, not only to the diasporic audience, but also bringing in authors who have done amazing work here to the Bay Area. We have authors like Raghu Karnad, Siddharth Dubey, Vikram Chandra, of course, who has written, and now it is a Netflix series, Sacred Game. We have a diasporic author, Naomi Munavira and Shanti Sekaran. It's just an amazing lineup which you'll never get to see before. So we really encourage you to come out and visit this and come and see this amazing work.
So if you are one of the aesthetics appreciators and you put art in front of any other human faculty, and you are an admirer of works like Mona Lisa from Leonardo da Vinci or some great monuments in Italy or Taj Mahal in India, this is the place for you to come and enjoy at a very reasonable cost at Saratoga. Montalvo Arts Center has a great history, and you should be spending some of your time here to support this wonderful non-profit organization, Art Forum SF. And joining us is another board member from Art Forum, Mayuranki. Welcome, and let us know, how did you choose this wonderful line of artists that we are going to see in this event?
Well, the idea was to actually bring in what is contemporary emerging out of South Asia. And we were helped by Muazzam Sheikh, who is a senior librarian at San Francisco Public Library, and he is a writer. And he helped us actually bring in writers who represent South Asia. And for the visual arts and the performing arts, we have a lineup that was set up by Vikram Chandra. We cannot fail to emphasize how important his contribution is to our one of the main panels that is centered around sacred games. And then we have one of India's iconic actresses of the 80s and the early 90s, who then created a whole another identity for herself as a poet, as a writer, and of course she's always been an artist intermittently over the years, Dipti Naval. And the conversation with her would be the finale of the day, which would center around how three kinds of art styles have converged within her and how they have influenced her output.
So it's a beautiful forum where artists will vent their expressions out and bring unto you some of the traditional and contemporary, some of the creative and imaginative, some of the mimetic and applied arts, all forms of arts, the visual arts, the performing arts, and something that you will remember for life. This is one of a lifetime event where you will certainly enjoy the artistry and appreciate the contribution of South Asian artists while residing in North America. Ambika, you want to add something here?
Yes, I really would like to add how this is one event that has really brought the entire community together. We have a lot of organizations that are supporting us, like the UC Berkeley Institute for South Asia Studies and Kitab World and the Bay Area South Asia Film Festival. We've all come together to put this event and showcase this.
Wonderful. So see you all in Saratoga on October 6th and October 18th. Mayuranki, how do they book the tickets?
They would go to artforumsf.org and they would get the information for all the three events, actually 4 events, including Kaifinama, on the site. And we would also urge them to visit Montalvo during the week of October 7th, because we have the Sunderland Art Gallery of New York having its artwork on display here. It's one of the most well curated art displays that have emerged out of the plethora of artists from South Asia.
Famous artist from Berkeley, Salma Arastu, is right here with us at Montalvo Arts Center in Saratoga, preparing for the event that's coming up for Sala 2019. This event is getting tremendous response, fabulous response from artists and art lovers all around the world. Let's hear from Salma what's special that you're going to show in the upcoming event.
Sure, I'm going to show my new works, which are the women groups, which are my very successful series, and also the new paintings, which I'm talking about our earth and how we embrace all communities. So I'm looking forward to this show and exhibit my new works. And actually, I'm an artist originally from India, but I have traveled a lot from Iran and Kuwait, and my work is very conceptual impact of these cultures, different cultures and faith, and I'm seeking oneness in my work. And this work will present all that.
So I see a wonderful acrylic painting right here representing 3 women. So what exactly is this displaying?
I have been doing women groups. I call it Flow of Humanity, and groups of women and men together, connected, holding each other, sharing with each other. That's my theme. Like, I want to seek the oneness among all humanity. And they are almost faceless, because I believe that we are all one spirit, one community, one human being. So that work, I have several paintings from this series, and I'll bring a few. And then I have another series which I'm showing down here. And this is about showing all animals, plants, birds, fishes, human beings, all are connected in our earth, and we all share together this earth. So that is my plan to show.
Very global themes, very modern themes, unity in diversity, ethnicity, agnostic themes. We should all come together and represent the true spirit of the United States of America. Look forward to more creativity in South Asian Art and Literature Fest 2019. Stay tuned in on Yo India TV for more updates.
So I encourage you all to buy the tickets. Only $20 for this whole lineup of artists that you could meet in person here, get inspired on artforumsf.org. The ticket is only for October 6th. The festival remains free from 7th to the 13th. On 13th, on the closing event, we are showing Kaifi Nama, which is an epic movie on Kaifi Azmi, produced by Shabana Azmi and directed by Sumantra Gosal, which you don't want to miss. And the tickets are available for the cinema on our website. The special event, which is on October 18th with Anurag Kashyap, is in the evening, and tickets for that is $25.
Awesome, and look forward to this wonderful show. Thanks to Shar for bringing it for the wonderful audience of the Bay Area.
Yes, Sala rocks. Come on over.
Sala rocks! Watch us on Yo India TV.